person wakes with chills that shake the spine. Fever climbs and aches begin to climb. Dry cough grows, the throat begins to burn, with sudden fatigue at every turn. Influenza spreads through air and hands, a viral threat across all lands. Influenza virus types A or B, seek doctor care to safely see. Travels fast in droplets from a cough. In crowded rooms the risk goes off. It's not a cold, it hits much worse, with days of bed and symptoms terse. Influenza spreads through air and hands, a viral threat across all lands. Influenza virus types A or B, seek doctor care to safely see. The flu shot helps to build defense. Though strains may shift, it still makes sense. Antivirals work best if caught soon, within 2 days of that immune swoon. Rest and care, fluid sleep and cleaner air. But lungs or heart can face distress, especially where risk is high or stress. So cover cough and wash with care, and get the shot to